This simple question has kept scientists debating for thousands of years. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Turns out the answer isn't as straightforward as we might think. It's tied to millions of years of evolution. Long before chickens existed, ancient animals were already laying eggs, so technically eggs came way before modern chickens. But here's the twist. The very first egg that contained what we'd recognize as a chicken was laid by a pre-chicken, a creature that looked similar but wasn't quite a chicken yet. Even cooler, the genetic change that created modern chickens actually happened inside the egg, not after the chick hatched. Which means, if you ask scientists, the egg wins the race. Evolution works through tiny changes passed down from one generation to the next, through eggs. And this is just one of many fascinating mysteries about life. Got another curious topic in mind? Drop it in the comments.